Alright, B. I'm going to give this a try. This is the Embassy Suites Hotel in North Anaheim, where we are waiting to get ready for our Disneyland trip. Notice, Brian, we have 2 beds, a Chimay TV. So I can turn on the light, let you get a bit of look. Oh, the light didn't turn on. Oh well. And let's see. See, we've got a sink in here. We got lots of sinks. A little bar sink, like Grammy's bar sink. And our normal sink in the bathroom. And here's the bathroom, the toilet. Well, I know how you like this, buddy, but this is a Briggs bathroom. It's a Briggs toilet. Here's our bathtub. And this is our front room. See, another TV, our door. And this is the outside. Oh, it looks like Tom's group's been rescued. Our friends were stuck in that elevator right there. But now they're not stuck anymore. Now you can see out into the lobby. You can see the restaurant over there. This little breakfast nook. And the 2 glass elevators over there. And 2 glass elevators over here. So, let's go take a look around and see what we see. Oh, why, thank you.
This is 1, right?
Yeah, 1, thank you.
If it's not gonna work.
We're not gonna get stuck.
We're not gonna put people over there.
Yeah, they're probably stuck.
No, they've been released.
They're okay, dude. They're much better. Come on, let's go this way.
We're done.
Good.
This way.
Oh, just cruising around. Well, let's see what's over here, Brian. Let's see, found the bathrooms. Oh, there's a parking lot. That's if we wanted to go out to the car. But we don't. We want to stay in here. See? This is where we're with today, Bri. I know I don't narrate as much, but I feel kind of silly doing this. See a nice little chair, a little. See, you can go sit in a little patio over there.
Oh my God, it's Emily.
Yeah, it was.
I was like, who is that?
See? Everybody's swimming and having some fun.
You guys sure you don't want one?
Let's see, here's the lobby. Kind of French. There's the bar and the reception. Oh, it's cookies and stuff. Okay. Yeah, let's go this way. Oh, wait. Let's take a look over here, B. Here's where the video games are, Brian. See? Even a change machine. Just walking through the nice atrium of the hotel here, Bri. See? Look it. Now, I think it's time for me to take leave and go back to the room. Oh, wait. Here we go.
You here for Disneyland? Excited? Oh, Alyssa? Yeah, Alyssa. Beautiful name. What's
Yeah, but this one doesn't exist. Sorry.
No,
They were stuck for forever.
no. Oh. They finally got up and got their food.
Over an hour and a half later, yeah.
That was an hour and a half.
It was over, yeah, about an hour and a half that they were stuck in there because the elevator company would not respond. Yep, there went that one. There went that one too. Oops, I needed 3. But anyways. It's okay.
This one, come on. Thank you. Sure, well, have a good night.
Thank you.
Oh, this is...
Well, not bad for my first video. I hope you enjoy it, B. I'm going to go post this and send the link to Mom so you can look at it later. So let's see. Let me pull my key out. Well, there's our door. Here's my key. There it is. All right, B. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you very much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.